Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech It's Simple. In today's video I'm going to show you how to log into Kearny bank account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. Click open any web browser first, go to the URL box and type in www.kearnybank.com. And press the enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Kearny Bank. Now in order to log in, go and click on the login button at the upper right corner. From the pop-up window click on either personal banking category or business banking category. Choose your logon type and enter your username and your password to log in. Type in your username and move on to the next field and type in your password. Double check your password by clicking on the icon at the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. If you've forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. If you don't have an account yet, click on Enroll Now and register yourself to new account first. Once you enter all the credentials correct, click on Submit in order to log in and you'll be logged into Kearny Bank account quick and easy. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.